So who are scheduled tribes? Actually two articles, Article 366(25) in line with Article 342 declares certain groups as scheduled tribes by initial public notification and declared by President of India in Gazette of India or through any subsequent amendment of the Parliament. You get my point. Please write Article 366(25) and Article 342 declare certain groups, or President declares certain groups through initial public notification in Gazette of India or through any subsequent amendment by the Parliament. In order to declare a particular group as a scheduled tribe, local committee has given certain guidelines which include your indication of primitive traits, distinctive culture, geographical isolation, shyness of contact with community at large, backwardness. There are nearly 705 groups which are declared as scheduled tribes. Scheduled tribes are absent in Haryana, Punjab and Union Territories Delhi, Chandigarh and Puducherry. The highest number of tribal population is present in Madhya Pradesh. Highest number of tribal groups are present in Odisha. The percentage of tribal population to the total population is highest in Lakshadweep, followed by Mizoram when you consider UTs and states together. So Lakshadweep is a UT and Mizoram is a state. So only states it would be Mizoram. You get my point? Tribal population of the country occupies 15% of the geographical area of the country. They constitute 8.6% of the total population. Their population is 10.428 crores in 2011 census, and the reservation that they have is in proportion to the total population, 7.5%. So always reservations are in proportion to their population in the overall setup, isn't it? Nearly 75 groups were declared as spread across 18 states, and UTs were declared as PVTG. PVTGs are particularly vulnerable tribal groups. Earlier they were referred to as PTGs, primitive tribal groups, but in 2016 they changed it to PTG, primitive tribal group.
Selecting the right optional subject for the UPSC exam can be a daunting task, especially if you're aiming to succeed on your first attempt. But what if there's a crucial element that could make all the difference? That element is continuous answer writing practice. At Vijetha IAS Academy, our Anthropology Optional Foundation program offers a comprehensive approach. Not only will you delve deeply into the subject matter, but you will also engage in daily and weekly answer writing exercises. Each of your answers will be meticulously reviewed and critiqued by P Kishore Sir, ensuring you receive personalized feedback to enhance your skills. This approach has already helped many students achieve impressive marks and ranks, such as Akanksha Singh, 311 marks in Anthro CSE 2022, Chaudhary Shipra Vijay Kumar, 307 marks in Anthro CSE 2022, Ajin Kumar, who cracked UPSC in his first attempt, and many more. With daily feedback and structured practice, you will be well prepared to succeed in the UPSC examination. With our focused feedback and structured practice, you'll be well equipped to improve your performance and boost your chances of securing a top rank in the CSE. Don't wait any longer. Enroll in Vijetha IAS Academy today and unlock the proven success formula for conquering the UPSC exam.